Good evening, dear students. So, first of all, I will wish you a happy Children's Day. All of you know that every year on 14th November we celebrate Children's Day. So, today in this video, we will know more about our Children's Day. So, first of all, significance of the day. Why we celebrate this day? So, Children's Day is celebrated across India to increase awareness of the rights, care, and education of children. It is celebrated on 14th November every year as a tribute to India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, fondly known as Chacha Nehru among children. He advocated for children to have fulfilled education. Nehru considered children as real strength of a nation and foundation of society. On this day, many educational and motivational programs are held across India for children. The celebration of Children's Day in India dates back to 1956. Prior to the death of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, India celebrated Children's Day on 20th November, the date observed as Universal Children's Day by the United Nations. After the death of Jawaharlal Nehru, his birth anniversary was deliberated to be celebrated as Children's Day in India. It was done so because he was very popular with the kids as Chacha Nehru. Hence, a resolution was passed in the parliament to give a befitting farewell to the first Prime Minister of India. Then, here you can see the picture of Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister of our country, India, whose birthday is being celebrated as our National Children's Day. Then, introduction of Nehru. We will know more about our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, whose birthday is being celebrated as National Children's Day. Today is November 14th. It is a special day, the birthday of the first Prime Minister of our country, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. This day is very important in the life of every child. Nehru told, children are the wealth of our country. He was in Allahabad, India in 1889. He was born in Allahabad in India in 1889. He was the son of Motilal Nehru and Swaruparani Nehru. The Indian children remember him as Chacha Nehru as he was fond of small children. We call him Pandit Nehru also because of his knowledge and roots with the Kashmir Pandit community. Nehru's contribution for our country. What he had done for our country. Nehru played a major role in shaping modern India's government. He was the first Prime Minister of our country, India. He was also a good writer. Indira Gandhi was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru. She was the first and only female Prime Minister of India. Nehru advised his daughter, not to do anything secretly and to be open in all matters. And she also followed her father's advice, and she became a great personality. All of you know about her. Children are like birds in the garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured as they are the citizens of tomorrow as well as the future of our nation. These are the valuable words from our Chacha Nehru. He was awarded with Bharat Ratna in 1955. Then finally he died at the age of 74 only at New Delhi on 27th May 1964. Here is a glance about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. We can see here. He was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad, northwestern provinces, British India, which is now in present day Uttar Pradesh, India. He was died on 27th May 1964 at the age of 74 only, and his cause of death was heart attack, and his resting place is at Santivan, and his political party was Indian National Congress, and his spouse was Kamala Nehru, and his children, all of you know that Indira Gandhi, who is a prominent great person of our country, who is the first female Prime Minister of our country, and he was only the female Prime Minister of our country as well as up to date. Then parents, if we talk about the parents of Jawaharlal Nehru, then his father's name was Pandit Motilal Nehru and his mother's name was Swaruparani Nehru. And if you talk about his occupations, then he was a barrister, writer and as well as a politician. and we have already discussed about awards. He had awarded with Bharat Ratna in 1955. Then here are some beautiful pictures of Nehru with children. All of you know children are the things which he loved so much, and he was treating girls as well as boys in equal manner. So here is a picture with some beautiful children. Here is also another picture of him with some girls, kids, and here this is a picture of Nehru with our father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. All of you know him. Then this is the picture of old Nehru. So we have already lost a great personality of our country at the age of 74 only. And for today, our message is as a children, we will learn, we will know everything better, we will obey our parents, our teachers, and we will study well as we will learn from our surrounding, and we will promise here that we will do better for our country, we will do our self development as well as our country's development. We will give a hand to our country's, our nation's development, and we will make proud ourselves as well as our parents, our teachers, and our country also. So today, this day is very special for us. So as a children, we will promise here to be a good citizen of our country, and we will learn better. We will treat every person's, every creatures of our country as well as the world also. We will treat all the creatures equally. We will learn from them, our surrounding, our teachers, our parents, our everything else what we are surrounded by. We will learn from them, and we will become a good citizen of our country, and we will give a hand to our country's development, and we will be very proud of our country, and we will also make our country proud as well as. Okay, thank you all.